In this video, we'll take a look at learning home row and key memorization. So this is actually the beginning of teaching your students how to type. To do that, we're going to start with Google Docs. So the blue one, the Google Docs right there. Every student can open this up and they'll start a blank project or a blank document. And on your projector, you can zoom it by either holding down Control and rolling the mouse wheel up and down, or hitting Control and plus to zoom or minus to zoom out. So I think I'll leave mine about right there. I'll put my font at 18. And you can start with showing your kids home row. They can find home row by looking for the F and the J key and putting their pointer fingers on them and feeling for the bumps that are on those two keys. So left pointer on F and right pointer on J. The other fingers just fall in place beside them. So our left pinky on A, left ring on S, left middle on D, and left pointer on F. And then you've got your right pointer on J, your right middle on K, your right ring on L, and your right pinky on semicolon. So that is home row, and both thumbs are on the space bar. Sometimes students like to press the space bar with their pointer fingers. Tell them they can just do it with their thumbs and have them type it a few times. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon, space. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon, space. So when I was in second grade, I just remember going to the computer lab and the librarian would call out keys for us to type, and she would have us find home row and put all our fingers where they're supposed to be in good posture, and then she would just move from our left hand to our right. We started with A on our left pinky, and she would just call them out. She assigned 3 keys to each finger. So the left pinky would be A, Q, A, Z, A, Q, A, Z. And she'd always have us put a space with our thumbs. Left ring, S, W, S, X, S, W, S, X. Left middle finger, D, E, D, C, D, E, D, C. Left pointer, F, R, F, V, F, R, F, V. And the left pointer was also responsible for T, G, and B, so it'd be F, T, F, G, F, B, F, T, F, G, F, B. And then the right pointer, J, Y, J, H, J, N, J, Y, J, H, J, N. It would also cover U and M. J, U, J, M. J, U, J, M. The right middle, K, I, K, comma. K, I, K, comma. And the right ring, L, O, L, period, L, O, L, period. And finally, the right pinky would be semicolon P, semicolon slash. Semicolon P, semicolon slash. So you can actually do that relatively quickly with a class that has practiced it a few times. Starting out, you'll have to go way slow, but once the students kind of get used to it, it's going to go really quick. A, Q, A, Z, A, Q, A, Z, S, W, S, X, S, W, S, X, D, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, F, R, F, V, F, R, F, V, F, T, F, G, F, B, F, T, F, G, F, B, J, Y, J, H, J, N, J, Y, J, H, J, N, J, U, J, M, J, U, J, M. K, I, K, comma, K, I, K, comma, L, O, L, period, L, O, L, period, semicolon P, semicolon slash, semicolon P, semicolon slash. So this is a very good activity to use for bell work. What I've typically done with my classes is for a few weeks, I'll start off the day by just calling out the keys like this. The students will type along with me, and then pretty quickly they've got it memorized. I found it to be a very effective exercise, and the students seem to enjoy it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the next video.